Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making spicy toasted shredded potatoes. Look at that, crisp, refreshing and full of flavor. This dish is perfect for summer, light, tangy and just the right amount of heat. Use a vegetable shredder to shred the potato into thin, even strips. Uniform strips absorb the dressing more evenly and give you a better texture. Once shredded, rinse the potatoes under cold water several times to wash away the excess starch. This helps keep the potato strips crisp instead of soft and starchy. Next, shred the carrot into thin, even strips as well. Then prepare some cilantro, dried chilies, minced garlic. Now let's make the dressing. Add the dried chili peppers and minced garlic. Then pour in hot oil to sizzle everything. That smells incredibly already. Now add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black vinegar, 1 teaspoon each of salt, chicken powder, and sugar, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, half a tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorn oil, and 1 tablespoon of chili oil. Give it a good mix. That's your spicy aromatic sauce ready to go. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add the potato strips. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This keeps the potatoes nice and firm. Boil for just 2 to 3 minutes. Take them out and rinse them under cold water. Cool them completely and then drain off all the water. As you can see, there's no water collecting at the bottom of the bowl. Make sure to drain the potato strips really well before mixing. Now pour the gorgeous sauce all over the potatoes. Add some shredded carrot and chopped cilantro for color and freshness. Give it a nice toss, and that's it. Done. Look at that. Glossy, vibrant, super refreshing. It's crunchy, spicy, and sour. Everything you want on a hot day. Let me give it a try. Wow, so crisp and flavorful. The texture is amazing. Light, tangy, and a little numbing from the peppercorn oil. Even if you are new to cooking, this dish is totally foolproof. Go make it. It's quick, easy, and perfect for summer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.